Hey traders, skip this video only if you're ready to blow your next account and if you don't care about your future life. Scroll past if you're not ready to stop gambling in the markets. Because this message, it's not for signal chasers, not for Forex dreamers, and definitely not for those who treat this as a get-rich-quick game. This is for serious traders, those who are tired of the emotional roller coaster, tired of gambling, tired of blowing rent money chasing fake profits and hype. If you think I'm lying, go ahead, close this video and keep doing what you've been doing. Keep losing. But if you're ready to shift your mindset, to trade for a purpose, to treat Forex like the full-time business it truly is, then keep listening, because what I'm about to tell you might just save your future in trading. Alright, so quick thing before we dive deep. This video is for educational purposes only. Forex trading carries risk. You are 100% responsible for every trade you place, every dollar you risk, and every decision you make. I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to push you to trade wisely, think long-term, and protect what you've worked for. And before we get to the core, huge thanks to our sponsor. This video is proudly sponsored by the Full-Time Pro Forex Indicator, a powerful, proven tool for traders who want more clarity and control in their trades. If you'd like to try it out, the link is in the description below. Now, here's where it gets real. You've been at this for months, maybe years. You've downloaded every indicator under the sun, jumped from one strategy to another, watched late-night YouTube gurus promising instant consistency. And yet, you're still staring at a bleeding account, wondering, why me? Here's the truth. It's not the market, it's not the broker, and it's not some hidden conspiracy. It's you. You're not trading, you're gambling. You're not building a business, you're spinning a slot machine. Think about it. You're chasing entries like a dog chasing cars, throwing in oversized lot sizes because you just know this one's going to hit. You're holding on to losing trades like they're going to magically flip just because you want them to. And every time the market humbles you, you're back at it tomorrow doing the exact same thing. The market doesn't care about your bills. It doesn't care that your rent is due, that your partner is slowly losing respect for you, or that your parents keep asking why you're still playing with charts. It will happily take your money while you're telling yourself just one more win and I'm back on track. And listen, I get it. I've been there. I've sat there at 3 a.m., eyes burning, palms sweating, watching my account die in real time, thinking, if I can just catch this one reversal. I've been the guy too scared to tell anyone I'd blown another account. The guy making excuses about bad market conditions when deep down I knew I broke my own rules. The turning point? It wasn't a magic system. It wasn't some secret strategy. It was one rule, one brutal, non-negotiable standard that I built my entire trading career on. The rule that separated me from the gambler I was into the professional I became. I never risked my business for the thrill of a single trade. What does that mean? It means I treated my capital like oxygen, because without it, I'm dead. It means I refused to place a trade without knowing exactly how much I was willing to lose, and I never broke that line. It means I valued protecting my account more than proving I was right. You know what's crazy? The moment you start doing that, your whole trading experience changes. The sleepless nights fade. The wild swings in equity calm down. You start thinking like an investor, not a gambler. And suddenly, you're not desperate for the next setup. You're patient. You're in control. Most traders don't fail because they don't know what to do. They fail because they can't stop themselves from doing the one thing they know they shouldn't. They break their own rules, they chase, they double down, and they sabotage their future, one quick trade at a time. So here's my question for you, and I want you to sit with this. Are you trading to win, or just trying to survive another week? Because if your plan is fueled by fear, by rent deadlines, by proving yourself to other people, then you're playing a losing game. You've got to flip the script. Stop thinking in terms of this trade, this day, this week. Start thinking about where you'll be in 3 years, 5 years. Are you building a skill set that could feed you for life, or just chasing a lucky break you'll probably blow the next day? You want out of the endless cycle? Commit to the boring stuff. Journal every trade. Follow your plan like your life depends on it. respect your stop loss more than your ego. And for once in your trading life, get more satisfaction from following your rules than from seeing a green number flash on the screen. Because when you master that, when you master yourself, this stops being a game of chance and it becomes a business. And businesses, they don't gamble. They manage risk, they build slowly, they survive first, profit second. If this hits you in the gut right now, good. That means it's for you. Smash that like button, subscribe, and send this to another trader who's stuck in the same cycle. Join the Daily Victory FX channel if you want real, no-hype growth content. But before you take another trade today, stop, breathe, and ask yourself, am I trading to win or am I just trying not to lose? Because that answer will tell you exactly who you are in this market and whether you'll still be here a year from now. Here's the thing. Most traders think the market is this wild beast they've got to tame. But honestly, the real beast is you. It's the part of you that can't sit still, that gets itchy when there's no trade on, that whispers just one more, even though you already promised yourself you were done for the day. And if you don't cage that beast, it will chew through your account faster than any bad news event ever could. You could have the best analysis, the cleanest chart, the most perfect setup, and still destroy yourself because you couldn't stop when you should have. Let me paint you a picture. Imagine your account like a house you're building brick by brick. Every winning trade is a brick. Every disciplined decision, another brick. But every time you over-leverage, every time you move your stop loss, every time you revenge trade, it's like smashing holes in your own walls. And the crazy part, most traders are spending more time knocking down their own house than building it. That's why I say, if you can't protect what you've built, you haven't built anything. The market rewards the ones who protect their capital with the same obsession a lion protects its cubs. It punishes those who treat it like play money. And listen, I know there's this voice inside telling you, yeah, but I just need one big win to get back on track. That's not a trading plan, that's a rescue fantasy. And the market is not here to rescue you. It's here to expose you. You've got to flip your identity. Stop calling yourself a trader if you're not acting like one. Because real traders, they'd rather miss a good trade than take a bad one. They'd rather have a small week of controlled growth than a wild week of chaos. They understand that their job isn't to find opportunities, it's to wait for their opportunity. And let's be real, the ones who make it aren't the loud ones flashing profits on Instagram. They're the quiet killers. The ones you never hear about because they're too busy compounding quietly in the background year after year. Now you might be thinking, but if I slow down, I'll make less. No, you'll keep more. And that's the difference between those who stay in this game and those who vanish after a hot streak. Because the truth is, it's not about how fast you can grow. It's about how long you can last. So here's a challenge. For the next 30 days, before every single trade, write down 3 things. Why you're taking it, how much you're risking, exactly what will make you close it. And when those conditions hit, you close it. No hesitation, no debate, no, it might turn around. Do that for a month and watch how much calmer you feel. Watch how your equity curve stops looking like a roller coaster. Watch how you start trusting yourself again. Because at the end of the day, the money in your account is just a reflection of the discipline in your head. You don't fix the account by forcing trades. You fix it by fixing you. And yeah, I know that's not as exciting as triple your account in a week, but here's the thing. Those shortcuts are the longest road you'll ever take. Every time you think you found a hack, it ends up costing you twice as much as it promised to give. So I'm telling you now, the fastest way to the freedom you're chasing is to slow down. Control your pace, master your rules, protect your capital like it's your lifeline, because it is. And if that sounds boring, good. Boring is profitable. Boring is consistent. Boring is how you build something you can actually depend on, not just a highlight reel of lucky wins. So ask yourself right now, do you want the thrill of gambling or the security of knowing you can do this for the rest of your life? Because they are not the same thing, and the longer you wait to choose, the more expensive that choice becomes.